Welcome, and thank you for joining me in this guided meditation today. Before we start, I would like to say that if you are truly struggling with your thoughts and emotions, please reach out to someone for help. You can find some resources on the screen right now should you need them. And let's begin by finding a quiet, comfortable space where you can sit or lie down and not be interrupted for the next 10 minutes or so. And when you're ready, allow your body to settle in a little bit and let your hands rest gently by your side or on your lap. And softly close your eyes or take a soft gaze if you feel more comfortable doing so. And taking a soft gaze just means that you find a spot that you can kind of focus on for the next 10 minutes. And if you feel your eyes closing during the meditation, that's okay too. All right, and let's take a deep breath in. Really let your rib cage expand. And exhale slowly through your mouth. Once more, breathe in deeply. And let go. Allow yourself to fully arrive in this moment. There's nowhere else you need to be. Nothing needs to be fixed in the next 10 minutes. This time is just for you. Take one more deep breath in. Fill your lungs as much as possible. And breathe out through your mouth. And feel the weight of your body supported by the ground or the chair beneath you. Notice any sensations, the air on your skin, the texture beneath your fingers, the feeling of warmth or coolness around you. And just notice. You don't have to do anything about it. Now slowly scan your body from the top of your head to your toes. If you find any tension, simply breathe into that space and let it soften. You don't need to change anything. Just observe your body with kindness. Now bring attention to your breath. Just allow your breath to work in its natural rhythm. Feel the gentle rise and fall of your chest. Inhale calmly. Exhale fully. Let your breath be your anchor. Each breath is a reminder. You are here. You are safe. And this moment is yours. And if any thoughts arise, that's okay. Acknowledge them gently and let them drift like clouds passing in the sky. Just notice them and let them go. And then return your attention to your breathing. Now silently repeat these phrases in your mind. Feel their warmth as if you were offering them to a dear friend. Only this time, the friend is you. So with each breath in and each breath out, may I be held in peace. May I feel safe and supported. May I allow this moment to be just as it is. May I offer myself kindness and care. Let each phrase land softly, without pressure. There is no need to force anything. You are doing enough simply by being here. And let's repeat those again. May I be held in peace. May I feel safe and supported. May I allow this moment to be just as it is. May I offer myself kindness and care. Now imagine a warm, gentle light surrounding you. This light could be golden, soft white, or any color that feels comforting to you. Let it flow around you like a gentle embrace. Warm, steady, safe. With each breath, allow this light to fill you. Let it soothe any tightness you feel in your body. Let it soften any worry, and let it remind you that you are not alone. Stay with this feeling. Let the light wash over you like a calm tide. May I be held in peace. May I feel safe and supported. May I allow this moment to be just as it is. May I offer myself kindness and care. If you are ready, begin to return your attention to the room. Notice the air again. Notice the sensations of where you are sitting or lying down. And gently wiggle your fingers and your toes. And when you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Take one more deep breath in through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Know that you can return to this feeling, this stillness, at any time. You have given yourself the gift of comfort. Carry it gently with you, and may peace and love go with you throughout your day, my friends. Thank you.